Do you sell products? FreshBooks inventory tracking helps you keep tabs on what you have in stock and its value. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, enable inventory in Settings, Products and Services. When adding or editing a product, check the box for I track inventory of this product. Set your starting quantity and cost. When you create an invoice with that product, FreshBooks will deduct the quantity sold. You can run an inventory summary report to see current stock levels and total value. My crucial pro tip? Set low stock alerts. In the product settings, define a low stock quantity. FreshBooks can alert you when stock drops below this level, so you can reorder before you run out and miss a sale. It's simple but powerful proactive management. Keep your product business running smoothly without spreadsheets. Do you track every single SKU or just your high-value items? For more guides on product-based businesses, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.